Hi, my name is Jake. What's your name again?
Hello, mister. My name is Heng, and I'm a student at AI Language Center.
Nice to meet you today. What unique features do you like from AI Language Center?
AI Language Center, which is our school, offer fun and exciting activities. While doing so, they also promote student independence.
Wow, okay. And what can you say about the General English program?
The General English program focuses on the main key component of the English language, such as speaking, listening, writing, vocabulary, and grammar. This program helps students improve a lot in their English skill.
Great. And how about the teachers?
The teachers in the GEP programs have their own unique ways of teaching and are open to student opinions. Also, students will face different types of teachers from different countries, so they could understand various accents with ease.